In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add testimonials on Google Sites quickly and easily. Whether you're building a website for a business, organization, or a personal project, adding testimonials can enhance credibility and engage visitors. Let's dive into the simple steps to incorporate testimonials to create an impactful site. First, open your web browser and search for Google Sites. Click on the first link you see to navigate to the Google Sites homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. This will unlock the editing features you need to proceed. Next, you should see a list of your existing Google Sites projects. Select the site you want to work on by clicking on it. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new site from the homepage by clicking on the plus sign in the lower right-hand corner, which will lead you to the site editor. Once you're in the site editor, look at the menu on the right side and click on the Layout option. Here, you have a variety of format choices. Select the one that best fits your style and the design you're aiming for. Once you choose a layout, it will automatically populate in your working area on the left. From here, you can start customizing each section. Testimonials usually include a picture of the person giving the review or feedback. So let's start by adding a customer photo. Next to the placeholder image in your chosen layout, you'll see a small plus icon. Click on this icon to upload an image. It's essential to use a clear and high-quality photo to make your testimonials more engaging and trustworthy. After uploading the image, it's time to add the customer's details. Click on the text box that appears below or beside the photo to enter the customer's name and their role or company, if applicable. This information helps add authenticity and context to the testimonial. Now, you want to include the actual feedback from your customer or client. You'll see another text box beneath the name and role field. Click in this box and start typing their testimonial. A short, authentic, and genuine review is usually best, as it ensures that the information is easy to read and digest for site visitors. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and reads, take a moment to review your changes. You can click the preview button in the top right corner to see how it will appear to your audience. Confirm that your testimonials are displayed correctly and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, after making sure everything looks exactly the way you want, click on the Publish button at the top right corner of the page. This step will make your changes live for everyone to see. And there you have it. That's how you add testimonials to your Google site, enhancing its appeal and trustworthiness. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.